Where are we going?
We're going to
Thailand. Hey, good morning everyone. Today is currently Tuesday and it's 10 o'clock right now. I woke up at about 8 and I woke up and made coffee, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just chilling, drinking coffee. And later we're gonna go to Donki Mall or Donki. But yeah, later we're gonna go there, so catch you guys later. Bye. So after that coffee, we took a Grab to get to the Donki Mall. This is a Japanese style market. I love coming here for their Japanese snacks and beauty products. You can also find a lot of cute souvenirs here. So since it was close to our hotel, we decided to stop for a bit.
Alright.
Hey guys. So we're back from the Donki Mall and here are the things that we bought. A bunch of stuff. We're gonna start with the hangers. So we bought some hangers from the Donki Mall because we needed some hangers to hang like some towels or clothes. So yeah, I got some makeup puff. I forgot my makeup brushes, so I had to get some. I have a nail clipper. We got a razor blade. Got myself a conditioner. This is from the Tsubaki brand. We got ourselves some vitamin gummies. Next up, we got this like cooling spray. I have the honey oil. I've always wanted to try this brand. Some snacks here. First up, we have this chip. It looks spicy. It's for him. I don't eat spicy. Some Kit Kat. This is the strawberry shortcake flavor. We got some seaweed. So good. So this is everything that we bought from the Donki Mall. Hi, good morning. It is Wednesday and it's 10 a.m. We're about to check out. We have to check out at 11. So we've just done packing. It's still so early. I'm hungry and I want to drink coffee. So I'm gonna make some coffee and we're gonna head out. So now we're at the mall and we decided to try the food court. But instead of paying directly at each stall, you can actually buy a food voucher first. You can choose the amount you want, for example, 200 to 500 baht, and then use it like cash at a food stall. It's really convenient, especially if you're sharing meals. Just hand over the voucher, and if your food costs less, they'll give you the change back. And these are the food that we ordered. So after lunch, we went to the Care Bears Café. I've always wanted to come here. It's such a cute place, full of colors, hearts, and cozy vibes. I ordered the mint chocolate milkshake and it was honestly so good. Sweet, minty, and super refreshing. So I also couldn't resist getting one of these mystery boxes. Let's see what I got. Oh, we got the purple one. Next stop, we went to the After You Cafe. This place is famous for its desserts and I especially love their buns. I'm not sure what the exact name was, but we tried their milk bun and mango bun. Both were amazing, but I personally love the milk flavored one more. It was soft, sweet, and buttery. Okay, so our last stop was Here High, a famous Michelin-star restaurant known for their seafood and side dishes. If you visit though, I highly recommend trying their crab fried rice, grilled river prawns, and tom yum soup. The flavors are rich, spicy, and so satisfying. So after eating, we decided to head to the Chatuchak Weekend Market, one of Bangkok's most famous spots for shopping, food, and local finds. Getting there is super easy. You can take the BTS SkyTrain to Mochit Station or the MRT subway to Chatuchak Park Station, and from there it's just a 3 to 5 minute walk to the market entrance. This market is huge. It has over 15,000 stalls, selling everything from handmade crafts, clothing, street food, and vintage collectibles. You can easily spend hours exploring. Hi guys, so we just came back from the Chatuchak market and I want to show you guys what we just bought. So the shoes cost us 130 baht each. Let me show you guys. And they're good quality too. They're like very hard and like very rubbery. Great for like water sports or like just walking around the hot weather. Okay, now let's take a look at the bag. So next up, we're gonna take a look at some clothes that we bought. Pants. Okay, next on the list is another pants. Cute. I got this really cute Barbie shirt. Here it says Barbie. Hold on, let me unwrap this for you. Little ASMR moment. Alright, so this is the set. Smell is amazing. This one was, let me check, 150 for the set and 80 for the elephant and for the little sticks. So yeah, 80, 80, and 150. We also got this bandana for like 50 baht. The last thing that we bought was these mini bath bomb. You can buy 3 for 100 baht. Let me show you guys. I told my husband to pick out 3 for me. So this one is the watermelon one. This one is lavender. And this one is the ocean scent. So I will show you guys later when I use it as well. So stay tuned for that. See you guys later. Bye.